happening?
The old school workbox.
He didn't like my MacGyverism.
I think it's a little dangerous.
Yeah. Why? It'll work.
It'll work.
It'll work.
I don't know if she's to code. That looks dangerous, Andy.
Oh, don't look at it. Dangerous. What's happening?
The old school workbox.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's made.
Right on.
He didn't like my MacGyverism.
I think it's a little dangerous.
Yeah. Why? It'll work.
It'll work.
It'll work.
I don't know if she's to code. That's all I'm saying.
It'll fill them one part bottles up. Look, Steve, what? The hose?
Yeah, it just doesn't look to code.
It's only putting 1 pound in.
There, we got some fresh batteries, so
It'll work. Yeah.
gotta get this thing to do some more pop. I think we should have enough room in here for his bike too. We can start messing with that once we get this one pulled apart. I'll just pull this one ahead. Yeah, we're gonna do a bumper install today too. We don't much get a chance to work on any of our own shit because, you know, you're always, well, they don't break as much. Yeah, occasionally you break them due to neglect, but the main reason is you're always fixing a Can-Am. Where are they all today? They're resting after fixing. Nobody wants to help fix a Polaris. Actually, we ain't fixing. We're upgrading today. And I don't know how to do it. I don't even know where to start to do it. But Phil does.
Flex side anyway. We'll get it fixed.
And I'll get a little more pop. I don't think it really doesn't seem to really need it. But these are bigger, more aggressive tires. So, time for the great big expensive upgrade. What that spring cost? 20 bucks?
Yeah, $28.
28 bucks with shipping. Alright, so we're just going to do a Dalton spring on it. They say that's all you really need until you go up to like 34s or lifts. So, I'll get back to you. So you got to take off the actual fender well or just make it easier?
Well, you gotta remove the snorkel pipe.
Oh.
Well, I'm gonna head up to great bottle coming in.
Yeah.
There's a big truck up there working.
Who?
I don't know what they're doing.
Oh, they're changing poles.
Yeah, drilling.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, they got the core drill there, drilling through the frost.
It'll work.
Yeah, okay. You buy DeWalt tools. You don't know how to work. Yeah, one of these days I want to friggin' reroute all those wires out of my fan shroud and underneath. Pull off the top plastics, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So then if I want to wash it, I can just pop my top plastics off. And actually, because these things just bleed dirt to no end.
Oh, yeah.
It's one of the worst things about a high lifter, I don't know, is these top plastics. See all these square ridges?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try to clean them till the friggin', yeah.
Hold on.
She just bleeds out and bleeds out and bleeds out more mud. They're not the easiest to keep looking clean when you mud them hard.
You've never had this ever apart here.
No.
They got a lot in there.
Oh, in these things?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I remember that from Cody's. We popped his off a few times and oh my god. Just loaded right full.
It's filled full.
A lot of clips in it.
Yep.
It's a good thing we're starting on this Polaris before friggin' Can-Am gets here. We'll never get to it because you ever work on one of them Can-Ams?
On Towns, and that was...
Yeah, it just keeps on giving. Oh, I broke one of those things.
What's that?
Right there. Yeah,
Pulled out?
I broke a rubber. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I guess Polaris does break every once in a while.
She's got lots of rubber.
I know. Well, you guys don't need to see this plastic bullshit anyways. Okay, yep, we'll get the metal part.
Stand either.
Two. Boom. Just chuck it in the corner.
You got a flat screwdriver?
Yes, I do.
We'll pull the snorkel.
Right in there behind the gas tank thingy, I find hard to clean too, eh?
Oh yeah, yeah, for sure.
They really goop on the airbox too, eh?
Yeah,
Like the amount of,
yeah, she's thick.
yeah, they don't mess around. That's a good way to check to see if the snorkels have been rubbing anywhere too. Right here, so yours went right there.
Yeah, this is the one that went on mine. Broke right in half.
Wild.
That one's good though.
You do a lot of jumping with throttle still on though, eh?
Yeah. I think we'll pull the cover. Might as well pull the bar. Yeah, you can pull the tranny apart. You don't gotta take it to the bike.
Yeah, I know. I remember when Cody's old 850 or whatever, like, when we had all. It's kind of like some of the side by sides, like modular frame, right? You take a whole chunk of frame off and put a new piece on.
The puzzle.
Rubbing there.
Yeah.
Any direction to it, or it's the same flip flop?
No,
Oh no, yeah, there is a
matter.
direction.
It doesn't matter though.
Yeah, one side's bent.
Yeah, they both come in. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll be able to figure that out.
That was the pipe. Snorkel.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's because where I clamped it to it.
Yep.
Yeah. Right on.
Set that over there. You can just see what you're gonna do on it. Clutches look good. Look like brand new, really. We're gonna measure the belt there after and see if it's wore any. Doesn't look like it's wore any at all though, by the amount that's sticking out through the top. Everything looks good.
Comes out of it, eh?
Yeah.
I smoked that one day too when she was snubbed up on that axle. I broke that rim.
Yep.
And
Everything looks good. Is this the one they replaced?
yeah, that's the one that yeah.
It's like butter.
Yep.
Still nice and tight. There we go.
Yeah, I'll show you what the old one looked like.
You didn't break it though, eh? Like it.
It eventually it snapped inside there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just rounded it, just twisted it right to.
Yeah. Holy noodle.
Yep. So they're there for spares. Spares. Damn orange is so bright, you're gonna melt that snowbank. The orange is so bright, you're gonna melt the snowbank. Let's check out that beard. You're taking layoff to a whole new level, buddy. You're looking like Grizzly Adams. You need a boost or a push or anything else to get that Can-Am off of there? Or?
I don't want to take it off too fast. Won't take it off your fenders.
Whatever. I wouldn't back up too fast 'cause I'm pretty sure that truck's going to stop her in a hurry.
You should be fine there, Bart. Yeah?
Yeah, I got
Okay.
Fire that thing up. Let's do a cold start. Let's do a cold start on her. Or is she still a little warm, you think?
Still a little warm. Jake might come on though.
Runs like a dream. How many kilometers now?
430.
Almost 500,000 kilometers. She'll fry all 4 of them. Sounds like an airplane, eh? Like a jet engine.
Yeah, she still runs good.
Oh, we made it over the snowbank. I was surprised. Sounds good, boys. I don't know if that's coming through in the camera, how loud it is. See, it's not quiet. Torque monster. We're gonna do a little install here of a factory bumper on this one, and we'll see how hard it is. Let's reverse thread.
Yeah. You got another longer extension?
Look, I didn't even think you cracked on it.
Oh, they're not on there very tight. Oh, that clutch puller. No, the clutch puller's
Yeah.
clockwise, counterclockwise tight. See what she's got with that.
When I said it was powerful, I meant her.
Like brand new.
Baby springs in them, eh?
Look at that. Perfect.
Yep, she good. Go right there.
No, that's probably where you give her.
Yeah, I think that's
Melt
probably
job.
where I melted her.
Other than that, though, probably broken rim.
Black tan. Dalton.
She's good.
Primary spring. And it looks so dinky you can move it with your hand. Oh, that, compared to what I'm used to with Yamaha,
Yeah.
like he'd have two guys stand on that to make that thing go back into a clutch.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
She's out.
Is there a mark on this for how
Yeah,
it
you got an X.
Yep, there's an X here.
X here.
Alright, so line up the X's.
Just screw a few in by hand. Bite that one down some
There.
more.
Well, she's back together. That wasn't too hard. We took half the bike apart. Did the clutch. Well, we're going to spend the rest of the day trying to put 2 bolts into this can. Looks like we have to move this fuse block and hog away some plastic in the inside and hog away some plastic in the inside and get our bolts in. We're going to get back to you because I'm not sure if we have enough battery power for that. That is sure. Lucky 7 back rack.
Yeah.
BRP, real nice touch. Badass looking Rennie right there, boys. Oh, we just gotta get you a pipe on there, Chris. Eh?
Yes, we do.
That looks mint. Killer. Polaris got a good lead on that jump. Can-Am's reeling him in. Popo got him by a little bit, but he did get the whole shot. Newman wasn't paying attention much on that one. But with the resistance, it looks like the front end weight of the Popo pulls you out of the gate better. It does. Yeah, you got him. Good show, boys, good show. Yeah, that's how it is. And that's basically what you boys can expect. And if you're looking for the 2 top dog mud bikes, those are your choices.
getting the front end up there now. But you see that front end just wants to pull down, and that weight just wants to propel you forward. Well, that's what the pull post is going to do. She does it very well too. Can-Ams, they just kind of, such violent wheel spin going on at the back there, they just drop right in. They don't have that weight. They got the short wheelbase, so more times than not, you end up on your 2 rear tires and you lose your forward momentum, but man, it's still fun. Awesome, that was a lot of fun. All right, boys. We'll be back. Get back on the trail here. And we'll talk to you. Good group, holy moly. Wicked ride today. Don't want to break something, he says, eh? Could have fooled me.